Hi, this is Tyler Nicely for Visual Frameworks for Week 4. This is my video project review. And of course, we have our questions that we want to ask. First of all, what went better than expected? I actually cruised through this assignment. We've worked with JSON before, we've worked with, it's just objects, and the experience that we've had over this week has sort of all culminated in a really easy experience. So what didn't go as well as expected? Really not much. I don't think I ran into too many issues this week. The hardest thing, the most challenging thing, was the extra credit part of the assignment, and we'll take a look at that later. So how does this relate to what we've done before? We've been working on slowly building this application, and we've seen all the moving parts, and we've looked at the data piece in the JavaScript, and now we've built a library of information that we're able to pull from, and we're able to put it into local storage. And so what we were able to do this week is sort of the finishing touches for a very basic app. How do we think this will relate later on? I think that we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg. I think very soon, as we start looking at Objective-C and the rest of our coding, we'll start moving data around in much more sophisticated ways, and over wireless or broadband or just across networks. It's very exciting. So let's look at the assignment. So this is my book tracker app, my completed project for the Visual Frameworks class. And if we click the orange button, we get started. You'll notice the address bar goes away. We've got our form, and we've got our two links here at the top. I was very pleased with the CSS. I was able to put in some nice shading, some drop shadow, and get some nice rounded borders on my input fields. And here's my counter. And it changes dynamically as we change the range input. And of course, if we try to save with no data, we get the warning, please fill in the required fields, and a little pop-up. And if we change one of these, it does remove that one item, and it's no longer highlighted. Save the book. Book is saved. And if we come to our display all books link, here we are. Of course, we display all books. We can delete a book. And we can clear all books. And when there are no books, no saved books, default data was added, and we now have added books. So this is Tyler Nicely for Visual Frameworks for my last assignment, and I hope everyone had as great a time as I did.